With Vision, you're truly independent. You can use the contractors that you're using at the moment, but they input into your system. Data can be in any format, maybe in hard copy files, in PDF documents, Excel spreadsheets or databases, and we can import that data then directly into the Vision database. How basically Vision works is that it's site-based from one site to thousands of sites. We have a standard tree on the left-hand side, and the tree is basically the building floor and room. We've then got our modules. So in the asbestos module, we can click on asbestos, and that's going to take us through to all the information regarding asbestos. Or we can navigate straight to information in here to the boiler room. I've got an area photograph. I've also got my reporting, my samples, re-inspections. However much we think everybody is IT literate now, they're not. So we have to have various ways of finding information. Contractors want to open a drawing up, click on the drawing of the room they're working in and see what asbestos is in there. It's got to be multifaceted of how the software works to accommodate all user levels. We can also load CAD drawings into this. And this then links into the data. So if I want to know what's in that room, I can click on there and it will take me through to that information. And that's the same in all modules. Fire, we can click on the fire, and this is now going to give me my significant findings, my main risk assessment, my reviews. Everything that you need is in there. Within each module there's an assets module, so you can add assets in there, and your assets may be fire extinguishers, emergency lighting. You create your own assets within that area. We've also got building condition, so this will do any building condition survey straight out of the RICS book. And again, we can take this all the way down to particular rooms and see the information relating to building condition in a room. Completely configurable to the way that you do your surveys. Although software development is a big part of what we do, we're still predominantly managers, we are consultants, we survey for asbestos, fire and Legionella. And using that knowledge and that expertise alongside the expertise of programmers keeps the software simple to use and the complexities behind the scenes. Once we've got all of that information, what I need to do is to be able to report on it. So currently, if you've got your information in this and you need to find something, you're now going to hunt through those boxes to find the relevant report. Once we've got all the information actually into Vision, what we can do now is go to the portfolio dashboard. And your portfolio dashboard will give you an overview of everything that you've got. Because what this system will do then is actually auto-report to you. We can actually produce any audit in this database. We can take your full auditing system that you're doing at the moment and recreate those audits within the database. And as you can see, color-coded to compliant, non-compliant, however you want to configure those. Everybody likes a red, amber, green system, the RAG system. You can see instantly where works that need to be done can be done. And if you're all green, you're all compliant. If you're all red, you're in trouble. These dashboards are configurable to how you want them to look. Try finding 49 locations within that lot that need doing. This is the same all the way across. I can go to condition, to disabled access. Each one's got its own dashboard. And at the end, I've got my extras. This is my dashboard. The only person that will see this is me. So I've got what's compliant, what's not compliant. I've got my re-inspections, what re-inspections I've got. So if I click on this, what this will do is produce me an Excel spreadsheet that's live. So if somebody had edited this data 5 minutes ago, this is up to date as of when you press that button. These are the audits that's been undertaken, and it's red, amber, green. Basically, this is whose backside you have to kick. If you've got contractors or subcontractors working for you that's doing these audits that should be keeping them up to date, this is being emailed to you on a weekly basis. You can go directly to these people then and say, why is that red? It should be green. So it's monitoring all the time. It's all about the business intelligence. More so these days that all information has got to be available in whatever medium people want to use, whether that be their phones, whether it be iPads, whether it be laptops, desktops. The software has got to be configured to work on all of those, and it does. Because this is a web-based system, you may actually be on site where you don't have an internet connection. Surveyors will use these, so where they'll go in, they'll input their asbestos data or the fire data. When it's synced back, it will actually notify you to say these audits have been passed back. It has to be simple. All the complexities of the software need to be behind the scenes, and they are with Vision. This is a remarkably simple system to use, but will produce some really detailed business intelligence data for you. Business intelligence is really important. It's not just about where you're compliant, it's about planning. Budgets are limited, so you've got to spend your money where it's going to make the biggest impact. And that's what software should be telling you. where do I need to spend my money, how much do I need to spend, when do I need to spend it by, and this is what the system should be giving you. That's good business intelligence that you can get out of Vision.